This is one of my favorite Mediterranean appetizers. It only takes a few minutes to make and it's perfect for a hot day. Let me show you how I make my sexy olive tapenade. Let's begin by picking some fresh basil from the garden. The reason we call this sexy olive tapenade is because we use this sexy olive mix. I find this in the supermarket. You can also find this in some Italian grocery stores. And what I like about it is it's not really salty and super sour the way that some olives can be when you get them in a jar. And it's a nice mix of Sicilian, Niçoise, and Greek olives, and they're in various colors, so it makes a really pretty presentation. The other ingredients in this tapenade, we're going to add a little bit of anchovy paste, a clove of garlic, a squeeze of lemon juice, the basil that we picked from the garden, a few capers, some crushed red pepper, some black pepper, and some extra virgin olive oil, and then we mix it all together. I cut the meat off of 12 of those olives and I chopped them as small as I could. Now you could also do this in a food processor or a blender, but because I had these multiple colored olives, I wanted to keep that color and not have it get all mushed together. So I'm just chopping mine, and now I'm going to add the other ingredients. So I'm going to add a half a teaspoon, approximately, of anchovy paste. Doesn't look like much, but it packs a flavor. We've minced a clove of garlic. I chopped up a teaspoon of capers, the fresh basil leaves, all chopped up and nice. We're going to put in a squeeze of lemon juice, a little bit of black pepper, just a tiny bit, and a half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. A little extra virgin olive oil. And now mix it all together. All these flavors come together for a lovely Mediterranean treat. And you can serve this with crackers or breadsticks or toast. I'm actually going to put a few crackers out and some toast points, and that's how I'm going to serve it. Here's what it looks like. Olives, garlic, olive oil, and anchovies are some of the healthiest foods you can eat. Putting them all together in one dish is delicious and so good for you, body and soul. Want a bite? Optimal results, enjoy with a fine cheese, a glass of wine, and the music of Andrea Bocelli or Chris Bodi, two very sexy Italians. Buon appetito! Stay sexy, my friends!